Good morning, everyone. It's been a while. So today I am working in my sweatshop. It's hot out here. And I am putting in a invisible zipper in a dress. So what I did first was I changed my foot to a zipper foot. Let me show you. I already put it on, but let me show you. So this is an invisible zipper foot. Looks like that. Got the little grooves in there. It's got a little hole at the top where your needle goes in. Okay, so that's the zipper foot, the invisible zipper foot. So I'm putting that on now. And let's see. Let me get this screwed in. I think I have it up. There we go. Okay, make sure your needle's going to hit that. And another thing I want to do is change out my needle, because yesterday when I was sewing my last garment, I noticed that it kind of made a little snag. So we're going to get rid of that needle. And we're going to put in the new needle. And the new needle in this machine, there's a groove in your needle. So that groove goes to the left-hand side of your machine. I'm using a Juki commercial machine. Thread our needle, bring our thread up from the bottom, our bobbin thread, bring it up. Oh, and I didn't change it the color yet. I just got done doing a black coat zipper, so I'm putting in the bobbin thread. So the bobbin thread is like a 6. Like you pull the thread up, it's going this way. It's like a 6. And I'm going to plop that in there and then go through the little crease right here and then all the way until it clicks right there. Okay? And I'm going to hold that, pull out my little bar here, my little door, and then make sure that it's pressed in place and it clicks, it snaps into place. All right, we have our bobbin thread up to the front now, up on top, and we are ready to replace this invisible zipper. So this is an invisible zipper. Usually it will tell you that it's invisible, and it's just a polyester zipper. And a lot of my zippers I order wholesale, like jean zippers and things like that, but you could never possibly have on hand all zippers that you will need, because they just come in just so many different colors and types and things like that. So some basic ones I keep in stock, and then some other ones I don't. Like sometimes I'll have white zippers in stock. I try to at least pick up a couple of those at a time and just have them on hand. We're going to go ahead and start. I've already ripped out the zipper. It goes all the way down the back of this dress. So you want to start with one side. I have my light kind of down low so it doesn't shine in the filming, because it was really bad looking. So I'm just going to kind of unzip it. So you want to make sure that you have the zipper part here. This is the front side, and I'm going to unzip it just a ways, and then I'm going to start it up here where the end is, where the stop starts, right before where it gets hemmed back into the facing. So I'm going to get started. I want to line up I wish I had another table over here where I could really put the camera so you could see it, but I'm just going to explain it to you. There's a little crease in the zipper where the zipper teeth are. So I want to sew in that ditch of that, right? So I'm going to get it started, and then I'm going to go backwards. Try to get rid of some of these threads that are in my way, and then get it started. So we're going to go down, and you can tell where the other zipper folded. You can tell where the other zipper was. And now the last zipper, the only thing that I'm going to change is where it really had a bad spot. Like I can tell where the zipper was right here, where it was really tight on her. So I'm going to back the zipper off just a little bit to give her a little more room as we put this new one in. So it won't get hung up there again because it was too tight, and then it made a kink in the zipper, and then it just started going downhill from there, right? So we want to make sure. And when you buy invisible zippers, what I found that helps me out the best is when I buy the zipper just a little bit longer than what the opening is, right? So you can only get zippers usually in basic sizes, you know, a 20 inch, a 22 inch, a 24 inch, things like that. But if you can get it just a little bit longer, like this was a 20, what was it, a 20 and 3/4, almost 21. And then I'm going to go forward and back where the zipper's ending. Okay. So there we have, you know, this side of the zipper in place, right? So now we're going to go ahead and start the other side. Zipper here. And then what we want to do is we want to work our way from the bottom and sew it the opposite way. So we're going to open it up. Just want to make sure that we have it where it is going to start. We look like we have it, no puckers or anything. Okay, we're going to open it up again. And we're going to start sewing from the bottom. The zipper should open just a little bit more. Darn it, I had it where I wanted it. But I also want to be able to get my foot in there. I want to unzip the zipper a little bit more so I can get my foot of my machine in there a little bit further there. So we want to unzip that a little bit. Okay, and then make sure that it's relaxed and it starts off smooth. Okay, so we're going to find where we can get this machine foot in that ditch of the zipper, and then we'll bring this all the way up. And when you're sewing a zipper, you don't want to pull. You want to put the zipper in where the fabric and the zipper is relaxed. You don't want to pull either one. So you want to make sure that you end up just about the same as the other side. Back and forth, and there you have it. And then I will just see how we did down here. Sometimes if I can't get close enough, I'll have to sew it a little bit by hand, but let's see how close we did get. Get that back through there and zip it up. Might be okay. Let's see. Pretty close. Well, we're good. So we're really good. So it did catch, and it's all encased. And then we're gonna zip it up. To the top so we can get our facings back together, and then we can make sure, let me turn my iron on too because we'll need to iron it a little bit. I just had two things to do today. I'm finishing up from yesterday, and so then we ended at the top evenly. So now what we want to do is just take that zipper and fold it in, and then bring the interface, the facing, this middle facing part here over, and then we're going to hand stitch that back down like that. And you want to make sure that from the zipper teeth that where you hand stitch this back, you have enough room there for the zipper to work, right? So it doesn't get caught in there. So that's basically what we have. And so we, you know, set this zipper in, and it looks amazing. And we're just going to go ahead and give it a little bit of a press so it doesn't look all wrinkly. And it had a fold from before, right? Where it was before. So now once we press it, we'll press in our own fold, right, to cover up the zipper so it looks hidden again. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this facing back together. So it was nice to see you guys. It's been a while, and I just wanted to say hello, that yes, I'm still working my business, and I'm still helping other tailor shops to improve their income and to help them to get started and to get making the income that they deserve. So if you are interested in, you know, having someone to help you with that, that can answer some of your questions and to get you so you're able to bring in more revenue and things like that, so you can work out of your home or whatever you choose, I'd love to help you along. So thanks so much for watching. Please go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe. I'd love to have you around. So see you real soon. Bye-bye.